Hello everyone, I am Ranjit from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we will see how to configure the Microsoft OneDrive Catalog Source in CDGC. The agenda of today's session is: what is Microsoft OneDrive Scanner? What are all the supported object types of Microsoft OneDrive Catalog Source in CDGC? What are all the prerequisites to configure the Microsoft OneDrive Catalog Source in CDGC? And then we will see on the steps to configure the Microsoft OneDrive Catalog Source along with a quick demo. What is Microsoft OneDrive Scanner? Microsoft OneDrive is a file hosting and synchronization service operated by Microsoft as part of its suite of online office services. You can use the Microsoft OneDrive Catalog Source to extract metadata from a Microsoft OneDrive source system. Supported object types. You can use the Microsoft OneDrive Catalog Source to extract metadata from a Microsoft OneDrive source system. The file types are Avro, CSV, JSON, Parquet, TSV, TXT, XML, and XSD. And among these file types, we support partition structure for Avro, CSV, JSON, and Parquet. For Avro, we support single partition, multiple partitions, and schema merge. For CSV, we support single partition, multiple partitions, schema merge. For JSON, we support single partition. For Parquet, we support single partition, multiple partitions, and schema merge. And you can extract metadata from the following Microsoft Excel file types. Prerequisites to configure the Microsoft OneDrive Catalog Source in CDGC. To extract Microsoft OneDrive metadata, you need account access and permissions to the Microsoft OneDrive source system. Verify that the administrator performs the following tasks. Create a Microsoft user account to access the Microsoft OneDrive source system. Configure the read permission on the Microsoft OneDrive Catalog Source for the user account that you use to access the catalog source. Configure the access permission for the user account if your user account is different from the user account used to create the Microsoft OneDrive Catalog Source. Grant the following API permissions to the Microsoft Graph application. The permissions are files.read, files.read.all, offline access, OpenID, profile, and user.read. Now we will see on the steps to create a Microsoft OneDrive Catalog Source along with a quick demo. In order to create a Microsoft OneDrive Catalog Source, navigate to Metadata Command Center and then click on New and then search for OneDrive Catalog Source. And then under the connection information, provide the valid username, password, credentials, and client ID, secret ID, tenant ID details. And then once the details are provided, click on Next. Under metadata extraction, provide the valid runtime environment. And under filters, click on filter conditions. Here we can provide the filter in any of the below supported formats. Here I have provided the filter on folder. Once the details are provided successfully, save the catalog source and then execute the catalog source. Here I have already created the catalog source with same configurations. And once the job is completed successfully, we can see the extracted metadata in Data Governance and Catalog. And in Data Governance and Catalog, under Hierarchy tab, we can see the hierarchy of file system, folder, and flat files. And on clicking the flat file, we will be able to see the structure of particular flat file. And then on the lineage tab, we will be able to see the lineage applicable for this particular file. Under relationships tab, we will be able to see the relationships that were applicable for this particular flat file. We would love to hear feedback from you. Thanks for watching.